Right, guys, thank you for joining with EduNations with another video episode. So, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV while using your Canva account. So, first of all, you need to log on to your Canva account, and if you haven't seen my previous video, you can go back to the my YouTube channel and check there's introduction about the Canva platform, which I have done already. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create CV template. So for that, you have to type under the search bar CV templates and press enter. So once you are successfully typing under the search bars mentioning the CV templates, which will provide many of the opportunities. On your left hand side, under the filters, there'll be category option. Under the category option, which is giving wide variety of ranges, resumes, letterhead, uh, likewise. So I'm selecting. To I need a lot more resumes, and there will be several styles also. I can select modern, minimalist, professional. I'm selecting modern and professional. Yeah, based on your requirement, you can customize your CV template. So there are the available options. So I'm selecting suitable one. I need to build up a professional CV. uh, yeah, I'm selecting one of suitable one. Right, I'm selecting this. Right, so you need to click that. It'll take few seconds to open up. So in the meantime, again, you need to log on to the Canva account, and under search bar you need to type CV templates, and based on that, the templates will be available according to your request, and you can customize based on your preference, either it's professional or the model or whatever the selected industry that you are willing to apply. Based on that, you can select. Right, there we go. I need to enlarge the screen bit. Yeah. This is a downloaded template. So based according to your preferences, you can here it will providing the cover letter also. So this CV has already drafted the graphic designer. So under the top, there'll be you can change whatever the professional photo and your designation and the introduction about the yourself, your career goals, and you can sort it out according to the experience level and the skills, your contact details, your education, and your about section. Uh, Within few words, you need to give the high boost in towards the other people of identifying who you are. Such as you need to customize your CV. So soon after customize your CV, uh, enter in your relevant skills and all the work related experience. You can download this, and there are other templates also. So according to your I'm again telling according to your preference and according to your work experience, you can select whatever the template, and based on that, you can customize your CV and download. So this is the one of the best opportunity the Canva has provided for its users. So there'll be the free account, and it would be better you can get subscription service because it will provide large variety of the selections. So right, guys, thank you, and with that, I'm winding up this video. So hope you have got the basic idea about how to create the CV. So uh, please do comment on my comment section how you feel about this, and your comments are much more important for me to grow my channel in further. Right, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, EduNations, and please hit like and press bell icon for get the Once I soon uploading soon once I upload the video to YouTube, you will get notified at the same time. Right. Thank you.